plastic. Single-use plastic? Ah! This junk never goes away. Not on my watch. Take the Kids vs. Plastic pledge and make these cool crafts instead. Come on, people! We've got a planet to protect. Book bag? Check. Notebook? Check. My lucky pencil. Hon, you're gonna be late. Okay, Mom, just a sec. Gotcha. Oh, man! Ah! Here, plastic? I can't use that. Plastic, like this pencil case, doesn't decompose back into nature like an apple, so its chemicals might stay in the soil and water forever and ever and ever. Yuck! Not on my watch. I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes. Jeans. I could use those. I can make my own pencil holder. To make your spiffy new roll-up pencil holder, you'll need fabric, like from an old pair of pants, a ruler, a hot glue gun, a pen or a marker, and a pair of scissors. Let's go! Unfold the fabric at the crease and measure. Cut to make a large rectangle. Cut along the seam to open up the rectangle. And then, cut down one side to make a strand about 1 inch wide. Put that aside, you'll need that later. Form a pocket with the rectangle. At the crease, make marks about every 1/2 inch. Time for the glue gun. To avoid a sticky situation, grab an adult for help. Make a gooey line of glue over each mark. Fold the fabric over and let dry. Once dry, put your pencils in the slots. Roll. And tie the strand around the holder. Voila! Now you have a unique pencil case that's great for school and healthy for our planet. Pencil holder, check. Book, check. Honey, let's get going. Honey, your pants.
Honey, did you make the decorations for the block party?
Oh, right. I totally...
Just put these up.
Balloons? No way! I can't use these! Balloons can be made of latex or plastic. When they end up tangled in our environment, animals may eat them and get sick. Gross! Not on my watch. I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes! Let's make pom-poms instead! To make an awesome pom-pom, grab a stack of tissue paper. Mix different colors. Grab pipe cleaners and a pair of scissors. Fold the paper back and forth, over and under, until it becomes one long stack. Like an accordion. Ooh la la. Grab your scissors, cut the tissue paper in half to make 2 sections. Open up each section, fold it in half, cut the folds, then fold each section back until you have 2 smaller accordions. Got it? Next, take your pipe cleaners and wrap them around the centers of each section. Almost there! Woohoo! Cut the ends of each side into cool shapes, like zigzags, curves, or frills. Stretch out the paper to make a circle. Separate the layers. Make them poof and tie a piece of string to hang it. They make great decorations at parties. Isn't it festive? Woo! Now you have a decoration that will never pop. Almost ready for the party. I think the party might need a little pop after all. You're done, balloons! Today's Daryl's birthday. I forgot to get him a present! Oh! I'll make him a super fantastic friendship bracelet. Ew, gross. I can't use these. They're plastic. Small plastic beads make great jewelry, right? But any kind of plastic dumped into our water can be a huge problem. You see, fish can mistake them for food and get sick. And if we eat fish that ate plastic, that means we could be eating plastic too! Yuck! I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes! Not on my watch. Whatever, I'll clean that up later. You know what? I'm making my own beads. Yes, indeed, I'm making paper beads. Find an old magazine, string, pencil, glue stick, and clear nail polish. Rip out your favorite page and cut it into a bunch of skinny triangles. Pizza. Cover each pizza slice with glue and roll it around a pencil. Wait for the glue to dry. Then cover with clear nail polish. Shiny! Grab some string. Tie 2 ends together to form a bracelet, and voila! A handful of homemade gems. The Plastic Blaster's done it again. Time for a dance break. Whoa! I hate plastic.
Hey, hun! Can you wrap up the rest of the sandwiches for the picnic place?
Sure, Mom. Yuck! Plastic? No! Plastic wrap gunks up our oceans, and fish might try to eat it thinking it's food. Gross! Not on my watch. I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes. I'm making my own sandwich wrap. Grab some cotton fabric, a ruler, scissors, hot glue gun, and clear nail polish. Measure and cut. 9 inches wide and 14 inches long. Now, flip the fabric, glue down the edges, and make a squeaky clean seam. Ask for help with the glue gun. Now fold up the fabric and glue it down. Wait for it to dry completely. Not yet. Not yet. Done! Reach inside and pull it through so it's right side out. Now we need to make holes for the string. Fold the top section over halfway. Take the scissors and cut a small slit in the fold. Then cut a small slit at the top of the pocket too. Cover both holes with clear nail polish and let dry. Grab some string. Loop the string through the holes and tie it closed. Yes! Now you can pack your lunch and save the planet!
Did you finish wrapping all those sandwiches?
Just one sec, Mom. Rainbow Unicorn Ice Pops are my favorite food group. Ew! Too many wrappers! Ew! Plastic wrappers, like the kind used on candy and ice pops, look like a meal to lots of different animals. Gross! Not on my watch! I'm the Plastic Blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes! I'm making my own! To make your homemade super special unicorn ice pops, you'll need 2 cups of fresh fruit and a 1/4 cup of juice or water. You'll also need a blender, small paper cups, aluminum foil, and wooden craft sticks. Ask for help with the blender. Put the first batch of fruit into the blender, add water, blend until smooth, or until you like the color. Pour the mixture in the cup. Cover the cup with foil and poke a wooden stick in. It's ready! Put the cup in the freezer. Exercise! Phew! I'm exhausted. It's ready! Check to make sure the layer is completely frozen. Time for the next layer. Repeat, but with a different fruit. Pour a new layer in the cup. And then back to the freezer. A dance party always helps pass the time. Yes! Repeat with the third fruit. Add the last layer and place back into the freezer. Book time! Is it ready? Ooh! Ew. It's so pretty. And tastes like a rainbow. Now it's time to go from dancing to rock star. At least until it's time to make more ice pops. Join the Plastic Blaster and take the Kids vs. Plastic pledge. Learn more at natgeokids.com/plastic.